A very good evening to everyone. So, the topic of my presentation is catenary. So, what is a catenary? So, the catenary, it is a curve. It is a curve which is formed whenever a chain is hanged from the two fixed point. So, the curve which is formed by the hanging chain or a string, it is called a catenary. As shown in the figure, that is a chain is hanged from the two fixed points. That is the point A and the point B, and the shape which is formed by the string, and this shape is called the catenary. The catenary, there are two types of the catenary, the common catenary and the catenary of uniform string. Whenever the weight per unit length of the string is constant at each point is called the common catenary, but when the weight per unit length of the string at each point is directly proportional to its tension, that shape is called the catenary of uniform string. So the word catenary is derived from the Greek word meaning catena, meaning chain. उसका जिसकी meaning क्या होती है? Chain होती है. So as definition is given that the catenary, whenever the string or the chain hangs freely under the gravity between the two supports, then the curve is called the catenary. But the common catenary, when the weight per unit length of the chain is constant and at all points of the chain, it is called a common catenary or a catenary of uniform weight. So as in the given figure, we clearly see that the chain is hanged from the two fixed points A and B. So the C is called the vertex of the catenary, that is C is called the vertex of the catenary, and OC is called the parameter. The distance that OC is called the parameter of the common catenary, and this is called the x-axis, that is called the directress of the common catenary, and that y-axis is called the span of the common catenary. The distance, this is called the span of the common catenary, and the distance A to B, this distance is called the sag of the common catenary. So from this we can clearly see this. Now for the intrinsic equation of the common catenary. So let us take the diagram of the common catenary as shown in the figure. There are two tensions, the T sin psi and the T cos psi is acts as shown in the figure. So the T is the tension T cos psi opposite to the tension T naught, and the T sin psi tension is opposite to the W. So as at equilibrium conditions, all the tensions, opposite tensions are equal to each other. So from this we have the two equations, that is T cos psi is equals to 2 naught, that is this tension is equals to this, the opposite tensions are equals in each other at equilibrium, and the T sin psi is equals to Ws. And both equations are called the equations of the equilibrium. So with the help of these two equations, we can find the intrinsic equation of the common catenary. As we know that the T naught is equals to Wc